Let's turn to Victoria, and the COVID vaccine booking system there seems to be buckling under pressure as thousands of young people try to confirm a Pfizer appointment. Julia Bradley is with us live from Melbourne. Julia, everyone's being advised to be patient. They're being assured that the vaccines are there to be had.
That's right, Ash. Yesterday, Victoria's Premier Daniel Andrews announced that eligibility for Pfizer would be widening from this morning to include those between the ages of 16 and 39. Those appointments went online at 7 this morning, and since then we've seen that system under increasing pressure. I've spoken to some people who say they've been trying to get an appointment for 4 hours. They've been both on the online booking system and also calling up over the phone, still not managing to get an appointment. The advice from our government is to be patient. They say that there are 450,000 Pfizer appointments up for grabs, and they say that already about 20,000 of them have been snapped up.
Tens of thousands of Victorians are trying to book in right now. We've had over 1.3 million people trying to call the call centre this morning, and our online booking system is receiving 50,000 hits per minute. So it is slow, it is busy. Please be patient.
The government also announcing today that they wish to prioritise final year students for vaccines here in Victoria. So that's Year 12 students. They want those students to be vaccinated before exams start on the 4th of October, and also any staff who are supervising exams. They are also wishing to vaccinate Victorians aged between 12 and 15, but of course that all depends on ATAGI's advice as well as supply of the vaccine. And we've also been given a clearer indication of how this outbreak is impacting children. Over 200 of the 538 active COVID cases in the state. We know that they are under the age of 10.
And Julia, I see more supports being sent to Shepparton. What do we know about the latest outbreak there?
Well, we know that of those additional COVID cases recorded today, 9 of them are linked to the broader Shepparton outbreak, including Royal Melbourne Hospital. And that area is really under increasing pressure as a lot of staff from the local hospital there are furloughed. We know that some supermarkets have had to close as well because they've been caught up on that growing list of exposure sites. So because of this, there is going to be additional support from Melbourne brought into that area today, and that includes ADF as well as healthcare staff.
We're working through all of those issues, be it with the hospitals, the aged care centres, the food distribution chain people. It's a challenge, but it's a challenge I know that the people of Shepparton and the people of Victoria are up to.
The Royal Melbourne Hospital also under increasing pressure. We know 450 staff there are having to be furloughed, and that hospital is also on an ambulance bypass. So ambulances being diverted to other hospitals, but they are still taking walk-ins of critical patients.